You may not always feel it, but right now, in this very moment, you are loved. Even in your lowest moments, even when you question your worth, even when the mirror feels unkind. You are loved by the universe, by the version of you that never gave up. And today, you'll begin to feel that love again from within. Welcome to Inner Sky Radio, your sanctuary of self-love and healing. Let's begin by returning to your breath. Inhale slowly. Hold for a moment and exhale gently. Now, place your hand over your heart. Feel the beat, the warmth. That's life choosing you again and again. Now, repeat these affirmations with softness, with strength, and with love. Affirmations. I am loved. I am lovable just as I am. I deserve love even when I struggle. I choose to speak to myself with kindness. I am not broken. I am rebuilding. I am proud of how far I've come. I am allowed to take up space. My voice matters. My presence matters. I let go of the stories that told me I wasn't enough. I am becoming more of me every day. I forgive myself for ever doubting my light. I trust myself again. I am worthy of love in all its forms, including my own. I am deeply and unconditionally and infinitely loved. Closing. Grounding that love. Let that truth sink in. You don't have to earn love. You don't have to prove your worth. You were born worthy. And while others may forget to show you, you can remember. You can become your own safe place, your own comfort, your own love. Please come back to this practice anytime you forget your light, anytime the world feels cold, or when the old stories come back. You are loved. You are enough. You are healing. And we are right here with you at Inner Sky